Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Race to the recipe. Ooh, blah, blah, blah. Reverse, reverse. Tune guys to Samantha Race the recipe. Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Race the recipe, and today we are making Low Carb Love's 5-minute keto cake. What I like about this recipe is, one, my mom who's diabetic can actually have some, and two, it goes in the microwave. So we're gonna see how it goes. I have here a cup and a half of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and I'm just gonna kind of whisk it around a little bit to break up some of that almond flour clumps. Then we have a half a cup of, this is Splenda. She said, you know, sweetener, but my mom uses Splenda, so that's what I'm using for her. Okay, then we have a half a cup of melted butter, and we're just gonna get her on in there like that. Get on in there, girl. We need all that butter. We have a cup of egg whites, and this is just like from the carton egg whites. I didn't separate no eggs. And a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then we're gonna whisk it all together. It looks like cake. I've never had cake with almond flour, so this will be a first for everybody here. But it has a nice, like, regular cake batter consistency, as you can see. So the thing that she did, excuse us, you're excused, she used silicone baking pans. So these are 6-inch pans. I got these from Amazon per her link. 6-inch silicone pans, that's what you use. So Pam spray, boom. Even though silicone, for the most part, stuff doesn't stick in there, I just want to give myself a little extra insurance. And then I'm gonna split the batter between the 2 pans. Give me 1 second because I need a spatula. I forgot I was gonna have to spatulate you. Okay, so boom. Half of the batter in this one, and the other half in this one. And then it's gonna go in the microwave for about 3 minutes a piece. And I'm gonna do one at a time just because I want to make sure not to mess it up. Look how quick that came together though, y'all. Let me find out I can make a delicious cake and not that many what is it, macros that the keto people be counting. Okay, so I'm gonna smooth out the top just a little bit. Scooch, 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 scooch. To the microwave. So, excuse you. Just get right on in there, 3 minutes. Okay, so our first cake just came out, and y'all, look at her. She's so cute. Whew, she just burned my finger. So the other one has about 2.5 more minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and just flip her out. This is a little cookie wreck, but don't even worry about that. Boom, boom. Nope. This is, I feel like, so dangerous. But it worked. Look how cute she is. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so when her little sister comes out, then we're going to start with, like, the fillings and the ganache. But dare I say, this ain't going to take but, like, what, 15 minutes? Shut up. Cute. Okay, so give us a second. We'll be back for the filling. Okay, guys, so now we're going to do the ganache. We have here 2/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is heavy whipping cream. That's what it is, okay? And we're going to just heat this up, not quite to boiling, but like just before. And then once that happens, we're going to pour it over 6 ounces of chocolate chips. And then let that set and melt on its own accord. And then we're gonna do our filling. Then we're gonna be ready to what? Assemble. Avengers assemble. Cakes assemble. That's what's gonna happen. Okay, so now the filling. We have 4 ounces of cream cheese, flat apparently, a 1/3 cup of Splenda, 1.5 cups lied. Do I cream this first? Yeah. I'm gonna cream the Splenda and the cream cheese first, then I'll add the whipping cream and the vanilla. Okay, so now we have our cream cheese creamed pretty good with the Splenda. I just want to get it all off of our paddle, and we're gonna switch to the whisk attachment and whisk in our heavy whipping cream and vanilla till soft peaks. But I need all of this first. So we pour in the vanilla. It's a teaspoon of vanilla. Drop it on in there. And then we have 1.5 cups of this heavy whipping cream. And I'm just gonna pour it right on in there. It smells so good. All right, so our filling is ready. As you can see here, the peaks are stiffish. And what I have here is, a little spackleage. But we have some strawberries that I cut into slivers, and so I'm just gonna pour them into this paper towel to try to get some of the water out. Because while we want it to be juicy, not like watery, you know? And then what I'll do is take a little dollop of our cream filling here. More. Because the remainder of this is just going to be for garnish. So we're going to take that. We're going to take our strawberries. Y'all, I'm a wreck. You see it? And we're going to just plop them in here. We're going to fold the strawberries, if I can, with the cream. And then we're going to start to assemble. Can you see me? It's just a little light folding. Light folding. My hands are messy. Don't worry about that though. Alright, so I'm going to clean up a little bit. I'm going to fill up the piping bag with the cream. And then we're going to put the cake together. Okay guys, so we're ready to what? Assemble. So we have our strawberry and cream mixture here. We're going to just slap her on top. Wow, I feel like it might be a little too much. Hold tight. Let's just see. Scooper, scoocher, scooper and scoocher. That's perfect, I feel. This is like a nice little size for 2. Wink, wink. It's Valentine's Day, y'all. You won't get this video on Valentine's Day, but you get it. Okay. And then I'm going to set the second one right on top. She did not trim hers down, so I will not trim mine. I want you to just scooch on in there, little strawberry. So, and then for our ganache, you see it's nice and smooth. I stirred it up, and that's that. So I'm leaving it like this so that it can all just kind of fall onto the plate. And I'm just gonna encourage it down, as they say. Little bubbles. Okay guys, so here's our little nugget. How cute is it? So I put the remaining bit of that cream in this piping bag with a round tip, because I can't find my star tip, but we're gonna just work with what we got and garnish. So I'm gonna go kind of like a little ploop, because I can't do a little star, and we'll just, you know, hope for the best with that. Bam, bam, boom. And she just kind of, well, she did a cute little thing, but since we just got a little round tip, we're just gonna scooch it around the bottom. Okay. It's weird. And we're gonna take our little strawberries and just sit them right on top. Okay, it's cutish. Would have been cuter with the star tip, but you know. So let's taste it, y'all. Let's cut her. I hate that I have to cut it like towards me. Look at that. Ain't that cute, y'all? But I'm gonna do it anyway because I have to. Uh-oh, got a strawberry there. How cute. Look how nice and tender it is. And I want my little strawberry that fell out. I sure do. Okay, let's taste it. Taste it. And because I like it, I'm gonna put a little bit more. And we're gonna see what it's hitting like. That's so good. It's really good. Okay, I feel like I got super loud and I'm eating in a weird way. But here's the thing, y'all, the cake is not too sweet. You get the most of the sweetness from the filling. It's good. Okay, so I'm doing this in reverse. I'm gonna give this cake a 5 for the effort. 5 out of 5. It was very easy. Microwave, it don't get no easier than that. Then I'm gonna give the taste a 4, a solid 4, because it's delicious. I can't think of what could make it better, but I probably would prefer real sugar just for a little more sweetness, but I have a super sweet tooth. But if you are a person who cannot really have a lot of sugar, which truthfully probably is me, but until the doctors say so, I want real sugar. But this is good. This is really good. So Low Carb Love, whoop whoop to you, girl. I give this recipe a 4 for taste, 5 out of 5 for effort. I will absolutely make this again. I'm sure my mom will love this. And so here we are at the end, guys. If you have a recipe that you would like me to try and you don't have time for it, put it in the comments below and maybe Samantha will try your recipe. Be sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, do all the things, and I will see y'all next time.
Just stay there.
Yeah. Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with the... Who am I? I don't even know. Leave it. It's fine. One more time. Bam. Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Rates the Recipe. And today we are making basically like a 5-minute microwavable cake. And I got this recipe from... I forgot where I got it from. Dang. Let's just stop it.